Hi dears, good morning. Warm welcome to Ideal and Adarsh Vidyalaya online class. Subject Social Science, class 5th. In the last two videos, what do you learn? We discussed about space. In the space, we learned about galaxy, universe, planets. And the next video, you learned about solar system. In the solar system, we learned about 8 planets name. Say 8 planets name one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Very good. Today we learn some interesting details about the Earth. Topic: the Earth. Can you say something about Earth? Earth is our home planet. Another name of Earth is globe. Earth is also called blue planet or ocean planet. Very good, dears. Do you know what is the distance between the sun and the earth? The distance between the earth and the sun 151.63 million kilometer. I ask one question. There are 8 planets in the solar system. But why we are living only on Earth? Anyone can say the answer? All living things and human beings need air, water and food to live. Earth has the suitable temperature and conditions for all living. Other planets do not have such conditions. That's why we are living on Earth. Okay, dears. All living beings are living only on that planet. So we are calling the Earth is our home planet. Why do we say the Earth is a blue planet? Earth is called ocean planet or blue planet because 71% of water covers Earth's surface. Remaining 29% consists of continents and islands. Earth's surface covered 71% of water. In this 71%, 97.5% of water contains the salt water. Remaining 2.5% of water is fresh water. Our Earth has mountains, valleys, plains and deserts. Do you know Earth's shape? A shape of the Earth is spherical. Okay, I ask one question. What is the distance between the Earth and the Sun? Say answer. 151.63 million kilometer. Very good. Next we will discuss about movement of the Earth. Do you know how many movements are there on Earth? There are 2 movements in the Earth. Rotation and revolution. Say two movements name. Rotation and revolution. Very good. Now we will discuss about rotation. What is rotation? The earth rotates on its own axis is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to Let's we discuss about day and night cycle. The sun is fixed position in the solar system. The earth has, consistently rotates on its own axis, which means imaginary line derived from the North Pole and the South Pole through the center of the earth. This rotation is from west to east, and the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Due to this rotation and positioning of the earth and the sun, it happens only one part of the earth can face the sun at any given time, else the path surface is the sun has day, while it is night on the other side of the earth, that is facing away from the sun. Thus the rotation of the earth changes day into night and night into day again. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So, these 24 hours make one day. This is day and night cycle. All are clear about day and night cycle and rotation? Now I ask one question. How many hours does the earth take to complete one rotation? Say answer. 24 hours. Very good. Next question. The rotation of the earth makes, yes, day and night. Very good. Next topic we will discuss about revolution. What is revolution? The earth revolves around the sun. It takes 365 quarter days to around the sun one time. It is called revolution. Do you know our earth average speed? The earth moves at the average speed of 29.8 kilometers per second. On it is easy to remember 1 lakh kilometers per hour. So, earth is spinning at the speed of 1670 kilometers per hour. And the earth is revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit at the speed of 1 lakh kilometers per hour. Now we will see the revolution. The sun is not exactly in the center of the ellipse because it is not center of the ellipse. The earth, when it is revolving around the sun, the times when it is closer to the sun and the times far away from the sun. When the earth comes closer to the sun, the time, the speed of revolutions around the sun increases. And when the earth is away from the sun, the speed of revolution reduces. This is mainly because of the gravitational forces of the sun. Now the earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 45.51 seconds. But it has 365 days, 6 hours. Now to adjust these 6 hours, we have two concepts of leap year. And leap year comes in 4 years. So in the 4 year, February, instead of 28 days, we have 29 days. Is this way we adjust 6 hours. Next one is effect of revolution of the earth. The first effect is seasonal changes. Seasonal changes are caused by Earth's revolution, like summer, winter, monsoon. Summer season arrives on March to May. Winter season arrives on December to February. Southwest monsoon season arrives on June to September. Northeast monsoon season arrives on October to November. Okay dear, what is the month? Yes, May. Now summer season in India. Now homework time. Do this today homework.